let's take a look at an actual Silent Beacon being set up to help you fully understand the steps in connecting the device to your phone or tablet. The first step is fully charging the Silent Beacon. Once your Silent Beacon is charged, hit the plus sign in the middle of the Silent Beacon application. It is now going to scan for the Silent Beacon that you have now charged. Now that we have connected the Silent Beacon successfully to the application, there's just one more step left in completing the setup. The on-screen hints will also provide help on these steps you need to take. Press both buttons at once on the beacon. Next, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings screens. These settings will vary from Android, iPhone, tablet to iPad. You will see SB Alert pop up in the Bluetooth settings. This will be followed by the last 4 digits of your phone number. It will ask you for a PIN number, which is just 0000. Once the PIN number is entered, the Bluetooth settings will not show SB Alert as connected once you complete this step. Now we can go back to the application. That's it, your Silent Beacon is now registered and connected to your smartphone or tablet.